What is the scientific notation? Scientific notation is a way of representing small and big numbers in a simple way. There are four possible cases. In each case is something in common. You need to count how many spaces need to move the comma to only have one number at the left of it. The exponent will depend on the number of spaces you have moved the comma to the left. First possible case. This case occurs when the third decimal is a number between 1 and 4. First thing you need to do is count how many places you have to move the comma to the left. In this case, 2. So at the end you will have to add a 2 in the exponent. In this case, because in the third decimal there is a 3, you don't have to do nothing. You just can eliminate the other decimals. Second possible case occurs when the third decimal is a number between 6 and 9. In this case, you have to add one unity to the second decimal. You just eliminate the rest of the decimals. First, you count the positions you have to move the comma to the left. In this case, just 1. After, you see the third decimal. In this case, it's a 7. So, the thing you have to do is add 1 unit to the second decimal. After, you can eliminate all the rest of the decimals. Possible case. This case occurs when the third decimal is a 5. In this case, you have to continue looking for the rest of the decimals till you find one that is not a 5. After doing this, you just follow the last cases. As in the other cases, you first count the number of places you have to move the comma. In this case, again, it's 2. After, like you can see, the third number is a 5. So, you have to stay looking, and the next number is a 2. So, because it's a 2, you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to make any change. Just eliminate all the decimals except the 2 first. Third possible case. In this case, you have a 0 or in the left of the comma or in some positions after the comma at the right. The thing you have to do is eliminate all the zeros, and for each 0 you eliminate, you have to put a -1 in the exponent. When you have eliminated them, you just have to follow the case that we studied before. If there is a 5, just do the things I said. As there are 3 zeros in the number, we have to eliminate them. After doing that, we have to put a -3 in the exponent. After, they are normal numbers, so you have to follow the case we studied before. In this case, after doing that, we don't need to. A number in scientific notation is not a normal number, just simplify it. So you can do normal operations with them. You just have to follow the normal rules to operate. In the calculator, you will have to press the letter XP to indicate the exponents.